Indah, guna indah. Indah. Relax. Again, breathe in and out. Okay, now you're walking. And there's a river. And a nice small bridge. And under the bridge, there's the water flows nicely. And there are several birds. And interesting, there's a frog as well. Okay, now we have an image. Now watch the image. Let's watch, where is it? Okay, good. Okay, Indah. What time is it? Okay. Tak harjung Indah. Okay, start with bird. Bird Indah. Bird. Open your audio. Okay, okay, bird Indah.
Bed or bed? Bird.
Did you see frog or bridge?
I saw the frog real up close and it blinked at me.
Okay, so when you watch the image, it disappears?
I kept seeing the frog. He was entertaining me. That's why I get caught in these images.
So that's why you watch that image. Then what happens?
And
you didn't watch.
He was closing his eyes.
Okay, no. Good. Anyway, it seems you are having the second experience. Taegyong?
Nga di khare image dita tera and then it disappeared, like you were saying.
Ta did you catch it?
Like then it like disappeared.
Okay, and then?
Oh.
When they more than yeah.
Well, you know when it disappears, are you supposed to feel like some sort of emotion? No, right? Okay.
So here, two experiences will happen. One, usually it disappears. Okay? Then you are in the state of no object. At that time, thought has no object. It's completely blank. That we call open awareness also. Because at that time, your mind has no object. Okay, it's open awareness. And it will remain like 1 second, maybe 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or maybe 10 seconds, if you're lucky. And then again, another thought will come. And again, you see images, okay? And again, you watch. You watch. Learn to watch the image. In my case, when I watch, I have, kind of a, right here, the forehead, I feel kind of something happening. Okay, that's a feeling, But now you already know how to watch feeling, then how to do meditation feeling. You can again change the object, blank, and then to feeling you can. Okay, now some people can see thought, see the images like television. On the screen, you can see, so you're watching and everything, okay? But still, it's good because you're aware of the images of the thought. It's fine, very good. But most cases, they cannot watch. When you watch, it disappears. Okay, so both are good. It depends on the the composition of physical body. Some people can watch, no problem. So then you continue to watch. Then it's fun actually, you watch, you know. So you actually watch, but don't carry it by. So now the example is, you see, when do you see a river? When you are inside the river and carried by the river, you will not see the river. But when you are outside the river, then you can see the river. Okay, so you already know, you know, you can watch river from afar, you know. Ah, very nice. When you are outside, even if the water is very murky, you know, muddy, and it's flowing very fast, it's running, you don't care, you know, because you're watching. But when you're inside the water, if the water is calm, clean, it's nice for you. But the water is very strong, current is very strong, and when you carry it, and especially when you have waterfall, then there's a chances of death. So like this, our thoughts, you know, like attachment, are the river of attachment. So that means you're carried by the river of attachment, and then we suffer. But if you really want to come out of the attachment, the river of attachment, then learn to watch. So when you have an attachment, strong attachment, and then you're carried, always watch. Watch the attachment. So you cannot watch the attachment, the object. You can watch the object. So that means you distinguish yourself from the river of attachment, from the river of anger, hatred, jealousy, you know, then you're free. Okay. So now this week you should practice. Right now we did neutral. This time you think of somebody you dislike, somebody you hate, okay? Or your boss, you know, somebody who always makes you angry, okay? Then think of that person, you know. And when you think of that person, the image will come. And then, if possible, when you're thinking, also watch your breastbone. You see, there's a tightness here, okay? Breastbone, tightness, that's the sensation. But you continue seeing that person, and then when the image comes, you see, check the sensation, again check the image, think about what he said in the past, you know, something bad, or something he or she did bad thing to you. Continue to check your breastbone or just body sensations. And then, okay, now I'm going to watch the image. And then you watch that person. It may disappear, or it may, you see, but now you're free. So when you're free, when you don't see, when, you know, Daegyeong case, when you don't see anything, relax. And again, check your breastbone or body sensation, and see the difference. Okay? Okay. In the birth case, when you see, you may lose the image, it's fine, or you can watch like television, but when you watch television, that means you are outside the television, you're not inside the television. Okay? If you can continue to watch, but you're free, you know, you can watch so many images, it's continuously coming, it's fine. So this will be, you try with somebody you don't like, because it bothers a lot in the modern, you know, city life, you know. So you have stress and all these things, because of this kind of, you know, someone you don't like, because then you are into the thought and you bring that at home and you get stressed. So another thing is, you think about your boyfriend. There's only 2-3 women, you know. Or if you are, I don't know, gay, then you think about your partner. Okay, you relax, you know, just for fun. And that person because the strongest desire is sexual desire. You know? So you think about that person, naked, coming towards you, and then you watch your private parts and the body feeling. You see the sensation. The image is like vivid, you know, and that time you're carried by the desire, the sexual desire, the attachment, and then continue to check the body again, image. When the image becomes very vivid, and you know the sensation, and then suddenly, okay, now I'm going to watch that image, and you watch that image, continue watch the image. Then in Daegyong's case, it becomes blank, and then when it becomes blank, check the body sensation and see the difference. So during that time, you free yourself. You're away from the river. You know, that's how to directly dealing with negative emotions. And see that's a fun, you know. So that's about this. I think it's enough. So next week you ask, you know, questions and share the experience. Okay, good. Now next we talk about open awareness. Okay. So open awareness has 2 steps. Okay. 2 steps. First step, and then first step I'll teach and you do it, and second step then we do the meditation. Okay, open awareness meditation. So it's like this, you see. First is when do you have a complete relaxation, completely free, then you feel like yeah, give me an example. Like when you have an examination, you work so hard, and then you give the examination, and the examination finished, and then you come home and you say, you feel very relaxed, yeah? Okay?
Yep.
Yeah, give me some examples.
I was gonna say job interview, you know, when you finish a job interview.
Yes, then what do you feel?
Sense of relaxation once it's over.
Okay, so do you say like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Beth, in the Beth?
If I'm feeling stressed, like right now I'm holding my kitty, my cat, and she licks my hand or looks in my eyes, I feel that feeling of relax.
You feel, okay, good. Any other examples? When you are very hungry, you know, and then you're very hungry, then suddenly you have a nice food, then you feel, or when you feel sometimes going on the mountain, you know, without water, and then suddenly you see you're so tired, and when you quench your thirst, you feel like this, right? Okay, good. So now open awareness, step 1. Okay, relax. Keep your spine straight. Cats away. Keep your cats away. You love your cats, but it's time to meditate. Okay. Okay, keep like this, spine straight. Close your eyes. Now you breathe in and out. Now when you breathe in, hold the breath inside for 10 seconds, okay? And then when I say breathe out, then you say like this, and then you breathe normally, okay? Ready? Chin a little bit down, back. Okay, now breathe in slowly. Hold the breath. 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Hold it outside. Okay, normal breathing. So you breathe in and hold 10 seconds and breathe out. Again, hold the breath outside for 10 seconds, okay? We'll do the second one. This is step 1. Again, breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in normally, just relax. Again. Now you do it yourself, okay? 10 seconds. Breathe in and hold inside and outside. Normal breathing. Okay. So that's step 1, not meditation. So what do you feel? Do you feel kind of you feel relaxed?
No.
What?
I feel like I'm holding in the breath almost like I'm choking.
So when you breathe out and say ha and hold outside, what happens?
Suppose I'm starting out and just saying relax doesn't relax me. What do I do with that?
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand? It's like you'll
Yeah.
relax.
So when you feel thirsty and when you drink water and then you feel, so when you hold the breath inside and outside, it's like a stress.
When I'm holding it outside, what do you mean by
Yes.
outside?
Holding outside means and don't breathe in.
Oh, and
Hold.
out is when I exhale?
Exhale and hold, don't breathe in. Okay, holding inside means breathe in and don't breathe now. And then you say, and then breathe in. Okay, so you practice this, yeah. Taekyung, what happened?
What experience? I felt more relaxed when I was breathing out. Yeah.
So when you say and you hold, and then normal breathing.
Normal breathing, yeah.
Yeah. After when you have a normal breathing, do you have any thought?
No, it was blank. I don't know. Yeah.
Yes.
Everything becomes like clear or blank, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so there's no specific object.
Right.
Okay. So this is step 1. Now, do you want to learn the meditation, how to do meditation on open awareness? So open awareness has no object, like sound, in sound, we have the object of meditation is sound, breath, sight, smell, taste. But open awareness, Tibetan, for the single pointed meditation, there are 2, 1 with the object, 1 without object. So open awareness is meditation without object.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So this is step 1, yeah. Now you want to know exactly what open awareness meditation is?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Beth, are you ready?
We are ready.
But it's so secret
Is it?
and sacred. Secret and sacred.
Secret and sacred.
Should I share?
You
Yeah.
should. Mm-hmm.
Really?
Really.
Yeah.
No.
Look, we're so determined.
I feel very stingy now.
Tell all your secrets.
I feel very stingy. I don't want to share.
Your secrets are safe with us.
Are you 100% sure you want to know this?
100%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, wait a minute. Okay. Are you 100% sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh, Within's back.
Okay. Within is back. So, are you ready?
Ready.
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 Should I? Should I not?
Do it.
Huh?
Okay.
But it's priceless, you know. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
100%.
There's no second step.
Oh.
What we did was the actual meditation.
Oh.
Okay. So open awareness. So that means there's no object, but you are, when we say let's meditate, then you have the burden, you know, okay, it's a meditation. And maybe you say, because that's too easy, you know,
Mm-hmm.
because we always do this. That's the best relaxation.
Mm.
You know, we quench, then you see, there's no object. You're not thinking, you're completely relaxed. Okay, so I said step 1 and step 2.
Mm-hmm.
So first, you experience already.
Oh.
Okay,
Mhm.
so that's the open awareness meditation. Okay, so learn this, you know. Now in your case, now you see, we'll now see the difference. Okay,
Mhm.
now we'll practice again. Now don't close your eyes. Okay. Don't watch me. You just watch, you know, sitting space, you know, 45 degree. Just tip of the nose, relax, and breathe in. Hold the breath. And out. And normal breathing. Don't watch your eyes. Don't stare. Don't look at any specific object. Just relax. Breathe in and out. Again, breathe in. Hold. Breathe in normally. Okay. Now, do you feel completely relaxed? Which is better, the former one or this one?
The first one.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
First one should be, you know, because you never consider it's in meditation.
Mm-hmm.
So that first one experience should be there. Okay, so you think now you're saying, oh, now let's meditate. So then you, in your mind, it registered that, oh, now this is meditation. But before it was not. Okay. Another way to relax is you do like this. Same, but all your like this. You see.
Oh.
What do you call that?
Clench.
Clench. Huh?
Clench your feet.
Yeah, clench everything. Clench. And then you sit like this. Everything, yeah. And then tighten this. Okay. And then your face and everything you must do like this. No, all the muscle, contract all the muscle. Ready? First, wait, Inda.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
First, breathe in and hold the breath inside. Okay, breathe in. And now tighten everything. Relax.
That was much better.
Okay, again, don't say it's good or bad, feel it. Okay, again, you must hold the breath inside.
Okay.
That will actually increase the wind element and fire element. Okay, this. And when you release, it will increase the earth and water element. So because, you see, then what happens is these four elements, they become balanced. That's why you feel relaxed.
Oh.
Okay, you should know the reason. Okay, when you do this, you become warm. Okay, and the warm means fire element increase. Okay. And then the wind, lung, okay, also increase. So it increase. Hold the breath long, contact every muscle. Then automatically in 10 seconds you feel very hot, And so when you relax, and then you stay normally, then earth element and water element start working, and then they become balanced. So when they're balanced, in Tibetan medicine is called healthy. Okay, we try. Contract all the muscles. Make your face ugly. Okay. Wait. Relax first. Enough. Tight. Okay. Now breathe in. Make faces. Relax now. Don't relax, just breathe in and out. Okay, so that's another way, easiest way to have relaxation. Okay. So sometimes when you have stressed, or when you are burnt out, okay, stressed, burnout, then do this exercise. This is not a meditation, this is an exercise. Okay, you just tighten everything so tight, all muscles of the body tight. Hold the breath inside as long as possible until you feel, some kind of heat on the crown of your head. And then you relax, release it, basically release it, and just breathe in and out. And you'll see stress gone, burnout gone. The four elements are in balance. Okay. So now we forget about the pain. Pain maybe some other day.
So Gila, am I supposed to experience what I said earlier? Is that the correct experience that you should feel?
What experience?
So when we did the open awareness meditation, I mentioned about like, oh my God, I forgot what I.
The water element and the earth element, it starts. They start and then they balance. So when there's balance, see, then you're actually calm, relaxed.
When this is happening, what is the water? What is the fire? What is the wind?
I think
Earth is the solidity.
Okay, so that's being a solid and grounded in here.
No, solidity.
solid.
Liquidity, solidity, right?
Okay, so
then solidity is something which is solid.
And that's my own body that's solid that I feel?
Yeah, like the hair, bones, flesh, teeth, nails, they're more of earth element. Although it has all the 5 elements, but more earth element. Then all the liquid, including blood, they are liquid, but also liquid has all the 5 elements. Then warmth, we have warm, heat, that is the fire element.
Body temperature.
Then fire element, and then we have movement. Yeah? Movement is the wind element.
Have too much fire?
Earth, water, fire, and wind element. Then all these are possible because of the space element. So 4 elements, usually you add 5th element, and then we add another element, consciousness, so 6 elements. But in nature,
there's only 4.
The whole universe is composed of 5 elements.
Oh.
Okay, whole universe. Earth, water, fire, and wind, and space. In the space, all these 4. Without space, they cannot exist. So our body, the tree, the iPhone, whatever, whatever, it's made up of 5 elements. But iPhone has not 6 elements. Sentient beings have 6th element, which is the consciousness. Book has no consciousness, trees don't. But sentient beings, which has sentience, they have the 6th element. So when the 4 elements are in balance in the space, then we say no disease. This is, it's ease. No, okay, this is ease, no this. So free from diseases. So when there is an imbalance in any element, then we have what we call ailments or disease, according to the Tibetan medical system. Okay.
Too much fire in the heart.
Too much fire. In Tibetan medicine, we have only 2 types of diseases. We call it Atta, Achu.
Atta, Achu. And what?
Atta, Achu. Atta means, Tibetans usually say, it's an exclamation, when they put like hot, they say Atta. When you have cold, then say Achu. So these two diseases, so the first is related with the bile, because there are 3 forms, bile. And then cold is related with the water and earth. Now 4th element missing, which is the wind.
Right.
So wind, in the West, many people suffer from wind. You have stress and all these things, wind too much. When you have too much wind, you cannot sleep. But wind itself is not a disease.
And wind in the body, I forgot what wind is.
Yeah, what is wind?
Wind is the prana, the movement.
Oh, the movement. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the water again in the body?
Water is the fluidic.
Oh, the fluid. Okay, got it.
The earth is the solidic.
Okay, the solid.
The interesting thing, okay, we'll take some more time. The interesting thing is, you see, these four elements play the main role of our existence in terms of the body.
Okay.
So when we sleep, actually they dissolve. The earth dissolve into water, water dissolve into fire, fire dissolve into wind, then it dissolve into consciousness, yeah, space.
What do you mean?
So when we die, it also happens same. So every day we have a minor death, not macro death. It's a minor death. Macro death happens when we really die, but when we sleep, always these four elements dissolve.
So no more wind, no more fire.
Not you have, but it dissolves. It
What do you mean?
stops.
Means
So
gone.
this is again a big
This is
topic.
bad.
We'll not
Oh,
more this
They can't see me.
because then
This is
it's
bad.
called dissolution meditation. You know, it's a preparation of when we die in the Tibetan practitioners, death is certain. So then we take this practice when you are alive.
How's Luke?
So when we will also have the same experience. When we die, we are not aware. But if you practice now, so during the death, it exactly comes. You know. So you can read on the dissolution of four elements, you know, on Google.
Oh, you mean at the meeting?
Yeah, dissolution of four elements or five elements, whatever you call it.
So who?
To make that a regular.
Okay, now anyway, it's a Acha and Achu.
Yeah.
Right.
And wind is the force.
Her.
When the wind hit the hot, the warmth, then it becomes big.
When you don't give it
Or when it hit
I'm
the
almost
cold,
done.
dizzy,
It should
it
be
becomes
done,
big.
or will be done soon.
Like the fire. When you have a fire, when the wind comes, either it will just completely, you know, extinguish, or it can make very big, you know.
It makes
Yeah.
her big. That's not healthy.
So maybe in the future we'll talk about the four elements in our body. You know, I talk a lot when I teach yoga, but because this is a meditation class, we'll talk not much. But because you know, this exercise, the four elements came into being. Okay.
Got it.
So that is it for today. And I've given you homework. Okay. Practice thought meditation. Thought meditation, remember, somebody you don't like and somebody you really love. Best is your partner. Okay.
What did you say that was called? Something?
Which one? Thought.
Thought. Oh, that's for
Thought
the thought.
meditation.
Okay. Something you like and something you don't like.
Yeah, something which bothers you a lot, you know. And then look at that person and image. Remember to check the body sensation when you have this. And after looking at the image, when it dissolves or disappears, again, watch your sensation.
Okay.